Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2023 Jeep Wrangler Sahara 4xe in high velocity. With LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, removable rear quarter windows, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 26,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, battery charge indicator, remote start, Sky OneTouch PowerTop, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D8167.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.